My kid said, "Mom, you embarrass me." I said, "Sweetheart, listen carefully. You came out screaming naked like a banshee in a crowd. That's my trauma, honey. Don't get loud." I wiped your butt, I held your head, stayed up all night, my sanity bled. Now you roll your eyes like I don't exist. Please remember who survived your first fist of kicks.